You know if you have any questions.
We'll step on the first and second floors, okay?
So which newspaper did he own?
Chicago Tribune.
Chicago Tribune.
A lot of really big stuff there. It's named after him. Married twice. He had no children. So he died in 1955. He had all his money. So luckily for us, he starts the McCormick Foundation. Cantigny Park in the South City. Part of what they call the first infantry division in the United States Army. That's why you have the museum there. It's up there. I made the decision for you.
Ball open.
It used to be guest rooms, and now they're beautiful galleries. But maybe the actual uniform would work.
Those would be storage compartments for the size of the house.
Mania, or we have hyacinth mania, the same thing happens. People are delving into features on things, and so people trying to get variously different shape tulips to show up. The stems kind of loop around, and the flowers close up.
Are you all having fun?
Enough brownies. You're leaving